Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Font and tap on the best font style for you. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, click on Apply to save the chosen one, and as you can see when I do that, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!